Okay, here's something new I want to show you. Now, I put this in Google Classroom, and I want you to really interact with it. This is all figurative language stuff, and it's fun. But I want to show you something different that you might like better than the typical feather screenshot. Because I do want you to screenshot this and interact with it. I'm just going to show you another way. So, what I want you to do with this is a very short story about Princess Penelope. Now, if you notice right here, it says find, underline, and label each instance of figurative language in the paragraph. Check it on the list as you go. So here's what they say you should find. They say you should find two similes. They say you should find one metaphor. I know it's just one because there's not a number after it. One hyperbole, two personification, two alliteration, two onomatopoeia, one idiom, and one allusion. Now, here's how we're going to do this. I want you to highlight where you see them. Okay, so they all need to be a different color. So you need to make a key. You can say, okay, I want similes to be red. I want metaphors to be yellow. Whatever. You need to just indicate up here what color they're going to be. And then you're going to go through the story and you're going to look, okay, where is the simile? And when you find it, you're going to highlight it. Now, some of you might absolutely just want to do this, where you pick the feather and you go at it this way. You know, the normal way. I believe that's the highlighter. You can choose your color. Say you like purple's great, okay, and then away you go. Then you can highlight. That's perfectly okay. I have no problem with that. Another way to do it, let me go back to it, is this. I want to show you this because some of you are definitely going to like this more. Okay, so you can take a picture with your Chromebooks, guys, in a screenshot, I should say, in another way. And here's how you do it. I've got an image of your keyboard here. Now, if you click Control, Shift, and then this button, whatever this button is called right here, if you click Control, Shift, and this button at the same time. So you put your finger on Control, then put a finger on Shift, and then click this button. Here's what it will look like. If you do that, then you'll see this thing right here. And you'll be able to take a picture of whatever it is you want to take a picture of. Okay? Now, what I want you to do is, some of you might want to do this. What I want you to do is try it. Take a picture. Remember, hit Control, Shift, and then this button. And then take a picture of this. And once you do, here's what I want to teach you today. You have that picture in your files. Okay, once you do, go to Google Drawings, where you can get there anywhere. So if you are in you're in Chrome, if you're in your what's the word? My gosh. Anyway, choose a Google drawing. And when you do choose a Google drawing, you can upload an image. Drive was the word I was looking for. I couldn't think of the word drive. Anyway, once you're in Google Drawings, so you can see that there's nothing here. Okay, you can upload an image from the computer. So I'm going to do that. I took a screenshot. This is where it appears for me. On your computer, it'll look a little different. But anyway, so I'm going to, I believe this is it. I'm going to put this in here. Now watch. Now that this is in here, I just find it easier to interact with sometimes than just the feather. So one of the things you can do is you can insert images. No, sorry. Let me go to the shapes. So shapes. So one of the things you can do is you can say, you know what? I think this is a simile. Well, look, you can't see through it. But if you go up here to fill and you go to custom, you can make it more transparent, like that right here. and then you hit OK, and now you can see through it. It's a boring color. If we change the color, it would look nicer. But see, once again, you can't see through that. But if I go here to fill color, custom, and I make it transparent, then you can see through it. Some people like doing this. They feel like interacting with Google Drawings is easier than just using, or I don't know about easier than using the feather. It's just another option I would like you to try. But remember, Control, Shift, this button, take the picture, go to Google Drawings in your drive, put the picture in, and then you can go about it this way. Okay, you can also underline too. You can just do that basic underline stuff. I believe that's a line, and you can just make a line. And once you do, you can change the thickness of the line. Let me see the weight. Where's the weight? Yeah, like you can change the thickness. You can change the color of the line. You can do these types of things, but it's up to you what you want to use. This is just another way to do it. Okay.